Where's that? I've already got a fish, AJ.
That's my big fish.
Don't worry, ignore me.
Wow, mast है कितना बड़ा किचन है मस्त सुपर किचन फुल हाइजीनिक किचन
Yes, we probably pull back a little bit on the size of those rib burgers. They're getting a bit big. Okay, service one. Rib. Have you got a hashish coming? Yo, it. Oh, can you fire 3 clouds? Good. Venison rib burger, 45. Okay, one pork. One pork, 45. One pork, one fish, 43.
वाओ कितना अच्छा किचन है मस्त है सुपर बढ़िया किचन है कितना कस्टमर का रस है यार लंदन किचन कितना साफ सफाई है सुपर किचन सुपर क्यूटी ब्रदर्स ये किचन में
207.44.
Do that and then this 6.9.
What are we waiting on? Pork?
It's just resting slightly.
2 pork. Fire me a beef rib.
Great. Those two.
Fire, let's do 207, 203. Then we do 44, 25 together. Fire that as well. Sorry, that was. There's no rush on the cabbage, but. So I'm doing 3 burgers, creaming it. The only thing we need to watch out for is potentially them getting dry. Right, if they use shitloads and then it's in there and then they leave them in the oven too long, they can go. I think they'll be really good once we get them. Good. Right, but you, with the burgers, can we keep the bacon on the top
कितना बड़ा किचन
so
है
it gets more of a grilling? You know what I mean? And then it stops the cheese melting too quick as well.
हाय दोस्तों
Because sometimes it can be a bit like boiled, do you know what I mean?
बहुत मस्त है मुझे अच्छा लगा